our base, and we'll travel through Eastern Europe, and we'll entertain people. We're not going to become Rockefellers from it, but you know what? We'll pay the bills. And this was a really good idea, but there was just one thing. Aryeh said, Etty, the open road is no place for a little girl like you. Your mother, Aleha Shalom, would kill me if anything happened to you. So she thought a little harder, and she said, Tati, I have another idea. I'm going to put on this cap, finally, and I'm going to dress up like a boy, and no one will ever know. From now on, you can call me Yidl. Yidl Mitn Fidl. And the story of Yidl Mitn Fidl was born. Über Felder Wegen, auf Bauern hey, mit Sonne und Wind und Regen, fuhren Klezmer zwei. Ach, Yiddish, sollt wir sein in der See. Yidl Mitn Fidl, Aryeh Mitn Bass, das Leben ist ein Liedl, tu wische seinen Kass. Hey, Yidl, Fidl, Schmiedl, hey, das Leben ist ein Spaß. So they are having such a good time. Das Leben ist a Spaß. Life is so fun when you're traveling on the open road. And they're hopping rides on hay wagons, and they're talking to animals. In fact, there was this one goat, a Ziegele, and he was very sad. And Etty, aka Yidl, said to him, Hey, Ziegele, why are you so sad? Das Leben ist a Spaß. Der Zieg steht auf der Lanke und merkt treurig mich. Hey, du Zieg, du Scheute, treurig sein ist fett. Schackelt das Wirbel, Tacke, fett. Yidl Mitn Fidl, Aryeh Mitn Bass. Das Leben ist ein Liedl, tu wische seinen Kass. Hey, Yidl, Fidl, Schmiedl, hey, das Leben ist a Spaß. That's right, things were great until this band, this other band came around, and of musicians, and one of them was very, very handsome. And now Etty, aka Yidl, didn't know what to do. How was she going to let this guy know that Yidl was not really Yidl the boy, but Etty the girl, and he wasn't that smart? So she became very depressed. Okay? I'm not going to give away the rest of the movie. You have to see it. But I'll give you a hint. A bird comes around, a foigle, and the bird says, Etty, your music is your superpower. You go back out on that road and you play on. A foigle flit get more.